Hi everybody, this is an iPhone XR that came in with a cracked screen, as you can see right here. So we're going to replace this screen with an X07 XR LCD, which comes with lifetime warranty. So let's get going. We already took out the pentalobe screws. We placed the iPhone on a heat mat for about a minute at about 60-70 degrees Celsius. So now let's take the screen off. Okay, this one came off easy. We'll disconnect the battery first. Three tri-point screws. 1, 2, and 3 right here. Okay. Wrong connector, sorry. I was disconnecting the wireless charger. Okay, now we'll disconnect the LCD. Two. Then at the top here, one tri-point is missing, one tri-point screw. This one. Well, we'll see if we have one to replace it with. And now we have two Phillips screws up here, one small one, and then a bigger one right here. There you go. Alright, this is off. Ear speaker flex out. And here we are. Okay. Now let's see if we could transfer the data from this phone, if from this screen to the new screen, if the data was transferred properly before. We should be able to do it. Okay. We'll transfer the data using the JC programmer. No, this had no data transfer, so we cannot do it. Okay. We'll take out the earpiece flex, ear speaker flex, 4 Phillips screws. I'm sorry, 3 Phillips screws and 1 tri-point. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. We'll take this small metal piece out. You have to put this back, make sure. Okay. Now we'll gently pry under with our spudger, plastic spudger. Yeah, I figured that this would come out quickly. Okay, as you can see, no seals here on the proximity sensor here. Should have seals. So we'll go ahead and place the seals back right here. Okay, you'll see right now how we're going to do it. Here they are, these gaskets, little gaskets. We'll place them right here. See. Yep, just like that. We'll peel this back and there you have it. Okay. Place this back. Make sure everything is in. All right. Everything is in, nice. Okay. We need to put this small metal piece. It's very important. This one. Put it back. Just like that. Okay. Alright, now we fold the flex back into place. Put the screws back in. Make sure you put them the exact same way from where you took them out, as they are not the same. Okay. And we have a little tri-pointer right in here. Okay. This little guy right here. It's right here. Okay. Now we test the screen. Okay, connect the battery. Okay, let's see. All right, there you have it. Perfect. Now we're going to need a passcode, okay? But we can see that we have power and everything. So we'll turn the phone off and we'll come back to it with the passcode. We applied the Tesa primer on the edges before we apply the waterproof adhesive so it can bond better. We peeled back the film. There you go. See how nice and clean this came because of the applying the Tessa. Helps a lot. Okay, now we'll install the screen. Connect the battery. Okay. We'll place the brackets back. Start with the battery. I'm sorry, with the LCD here. One tri-point screw. Second one at the bottom. Okay, this one here. Tri-point screw here. One here. Then we place this small bracket. Okay. See. Okay. One screw here, the big one, Phillips, and then this small one, the end here. Okay. And we're missing one screw here, which probably I have. Let's see. So we complete to the customer. There you go. That was one was missing, but we did find it, so no problems there. Okay. Now we place the battery bracket back on. Three tri-point screws again. Two and three now. Third one right at the top here. Okay, now let's test the phone. We'll input the passcode. Okay. And there you have it. All we have to do is close the phone. Everything works as it should. Okay. Remember, we couldn't transfer the data because the other phone did not have the data previously transferred. I'm sorry, the other screen did not have the data transferred. So we'll close the phone now. Okay, do a final inspection here to make sure we didn't forget any loose screws that could damage the LCD from the inside. Okay, and now we'll close the phone. Just like that. These XO7 screens, they fit just perfectly into the housing. I can't praise them enough. The best screens that I work with. Okay, and now we place the two pentalobe screws back in. Okay, and now we test the phone again. Okay, do an inspection to see that everything went in smoothly. Yeah. Okay, we input the passcode. And there you have it. Everything works as normal. So again, this was an iPhone XR where we changed the screen with an XO7 LCD screen which has lifetime warranty. This was another quality repair done by My iPhone Repair. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.